You want to get big, so you gotta eat big. Here's how to meal prep chicken in 45 minutes to add 1,190 calories every day to your bulk. And the best part is, you only need 4 ingredients. Chicken, taco seasoning, salsa, brown rice. Oh yeah! Alright bro, so today we're gonna be meal prepping chicken that tastes super good and it's super fast. I should have got a sharper knife.
Look at the top of his head.
We're at 43 ounces so far. I gotta find a better stacking technique. Look at all this meat. Pause. Yeah, so I was weighing all the chicken to find the macros, you know, calories, protein, etc. I thought it was gonna take like 2 minutes to find it. It ended up involving so much math. It took so long. Hey Google, what's 17.34 plus 4.3? And I still got it wrong. Hey Google, what's 3,300 plus 90 plus 90 plus 140 plus 9,000?
12,006.
Bros, this is all the math I just did. I'm gonna be eating all this chicken, all this rice, all this taco seasoning, and 1 can of salsa in 6 days. So we're gonna be putting this chicken in the oven. I'm just gonna prepare the pan that the chicken is gonna sit on.
$19 Fortnite.
Just grab a regular big pan, get some tin foil. You're gonna wrap it, go in like that. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna cut all the fat off from the chicken.
Yes! Yes!
Grab your chicken, bring it to the sink so you can wash it. Get your shears, because that's what I use to cut the fat off. Grab your first piece, put running cold water on it. Have your cutting board and just start cutting fat off. Alright, and you're just gonna do this with every single piece of chicken. Mother freaking ants. No! Die! Ugh. Sorry, ants. You can't have my chicken. This is my chicken. Place it all in it. Ooh, it's a lot of chicken. We're gonna season the chicken. Just gotta fit this container in the trash can. Blood. It's not mine, it's the chicken's. Grab any oil. I'm using olive oil and just go like that with it. For all the chicken, stop. You're gonna turn them all over. And just go once really quickly. Like literally a line. That's it, no more. That's enough olive oil. You're gonna take taco seasoning, open this, evenly distribute it across all your chicken. You're gonna flip it to the other side again. I'm using 2 packs. This taco seasoning smells great. Yeah! Make sure your oven has been preheating to 400 degrees because we're about to pop it in. Open up your salsa, pour it on top of them. Use the entire can. You're gonna pop it into your oven at 400 degrees. Place it in. Put it for 35 minutes. I was wrong, put it for 45 minutes. You gotta find a big enough pot to cook the rice. Oh my gosh. Yeah! This is the pot we're gonna use to cook the rice, because we're cooking a whole bag. Don't hit me, but I'm not washing the rice. It's clean, I'm not doing it. You're gonna do 1.5 cups for every cup of rice. That is what my mom has taught me. Open this bad boy up. Oh! Oh man. So this is 5 cups of rice, or the entire bag. We're gonna put 7.5 cups of water. 1, 3, 7. 7.5 cups of water. Now, what you're gonna do is you only put the rice in after it's boiling. We're gonna put this on high. Once this boils, we're gonna throw the rice in. While you wait, eat something, because I'm hungry. The water is boiling. Just throw a dash of olive oil in there. Take some salt, throw it in there. 5 cups of rice, pour it in there. Put the top on. Lower the heat down to super low and then let it sit there for 30 minutes. And that's how you cook rice. Open the oven. I have a thermometer. We're gonna make sure the temperature is 165 because that means cooked chicken. And 154. So this is most definitely not cooked. We're gonna put it in there for another 10 minutes because the internal temperature has to be 165. If it's not that, your chicken is not cooked. Mom, look, my rice cooked nicely. No, get the camera! I think the rice looks awesome. The chicken's gonna be done in 28 seconds. Oh, baby. We're gonna check the internal temperature again.
Another one.
Put it in the middle. That's perfectly cooked. It's 166, 165. All right, you got it. Let's just, oh, okay. All right. Let me cook. Ow! Your rice is now done. Move it off of the stove. Turn off the heat. Take whatever bowl you're gonna put it in to store it. I'm gonna be storing it in this giant glass container. Take a big spoon, open the lid. That's the rice, boys. Look at that. This is how much rice is in the pot. Alrighty. Oh no, I can't spill the rice. No. Oh. Get a knife and get a fork. Get a plate. This is where it's gonna be stored in. Grab one piece of chicken, cut it in half. So your cooked inside chicken should be all white and it shouldn't be gooey at all. I'm gonna try a bite. Doesn't taste bad. That should be good. Mix it with the rice. That tastes good to me. Here are all the macros, including all the chicken, the 2 packs of taco seasoning, the full bag of rice, and the 1 can of salsa. All of it together is 7,140 calories, 898 grams of protein, 740 grams of carbs, and 65 grams of fat. Divided over 6 days, it's gonna be 1,190 calories per meal, 150 grams of protein, 123 grams of carbs, and 11 grams of fat per meal. And that's how you cook meal prep chicken for muscle gains, bro.